Caulking Gunmarket Report, Caulking Gun Global Market Analysis. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global caulking gun market size is $3,125.6 million in 2024. It will expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 4% from 2024 to 2031. North America caulking gun market size will be $1,250.24 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 2.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe caulking gun market $937.68 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 2.5% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific caulking gun market $718.89 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 6%. From 2024 to 2031. Latin America caulking gun market will be $156.28 million in 2024 and is estimated to grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 3.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa caulking gun market will be $62.51 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.